Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install the Delta Game Emulator app that is now available on the App Store without a jailbreak or sideloading the app. Now, as you can see right here, we have the Delta Game Emulator, and if we go down, supported game systems, Nintendo Entertainment System, Super Nintendo Entertainment System, Nintendo 64, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, Nintendo DS, and plenty more to come. Now this also does include controller support for Nintendo Switch Pro controllers, Joy-Cons, Nintendo Switch Online controllers, PS4, PS5 controllers, Xbox One S and Xbox Series X controllers, MFI game controllers, and Bluetooth and wired keyboards. This also includes save states so you can leave the game right where you left off when you come back, and much more. So let's get to installing the app. Now, once we open the app, you'll see you're brought here where it says no games. To add a game, all you need to do is go to Safari. Once you're there, you can choose, for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna choose Nintendo 64. For the purposes of this video, we're gonna do Super Smash Bros. For the N64. Once you get to this page, you go down, you tap Save Game. Your download is starting, you wait 5 seconds, and you'll see it wants you to download the zip. Tap Download. You'll now have downloads here. As you can see, I previously downloaded Mario Kart 64. Once this is done downloading, we'll be back. Okay, so it is now done downloading. Now what we do is we go back to Delta, we hit the plus, tap Files, and you'll see in Recents, here's Super Smash Bros. Open, there's the game right there. Now if we tap it, boom. Just like that. That's how you download and install Delta and play any game you want straight from your iPhone. Just like that, guys. I'll see you guys later.